Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light.
Okay.
So today we'll be connecting an Amazon Echo with a GE Z-Wave Smart Switch via a WinkHub 2. You will need 4 things: an Amazon Echo, a WinkHub 2, a GE Z-Wave Smart Switch, and a target device to power on or off, which in this demo will be this lamp base. So how it works is that when you give the required instruction to the Amazon Echo, like Alexa, turn on light,
Okay.
then the Amazon Echo will transfer the instruction to the WinkHub 2 via their respective servers, and the WinkHub 2 will transfer the instruction to the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch via the wireless Z-Wave protocol. And the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch will transfer the instruction to your plugged-in target device. Alexa, turn off light.
Okay.
We will start by connecting the WinkHub 2 with the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch. We open our Wink app on our mobile device. We tap on Add a product. We search for GE Switch. And tap on GE Plug-in Smart Switch. We tap on Add to Wink. We proceed by plugging in the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch into a power socket. We tap on Next. We tap on Next. We tap on Connect Now. The WinkHub's LED will blink blue, indicating that it is in pairing mode. We proceed by pressing on the GE Z-Wave Action button found at the front of the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch. The Wink app will indicate that it has found the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch and that the pairing process has been successful. We tap on Name Light. And we name the device name to Light as we plan to connect our GE Z-Wave Smart Switch with a lamp. We tap on Done. We have hereby successfully paired the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch with the WinkHub 2. Now that we have successfully connected the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch with the WinkHub 2, we can now connect the WinkHub 2 with the Amazon Echo. We open our Amazon Alexa app on our mobile device. We tap on the left top menu button, and in the menu we tap on Smart Home. We tap on Get More Smart Home Skills. We search for Wink. We tap on Wink. We tap on Enable. We log in to our Wink account. We get a success message indicating that Alexa has been successfully linked with Wink. We close this window. We tap on Discover Devices. In the Amazon Alexa app, we see that the Wink skill has been enabled. We tap on Discover. We can see that the app has found our light. We can now control the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch by giving the instruction, Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
Or Alexa, turn off light.
Okay.
We have hereby successfully paired the Amazon Echo with a WinkHub 2. We have hereby successfully paired the Amazon Echo with a GE Z-Wave Smart Switch via a WinkHub 2.